How to change Discord theme on mobile. So go open your Discord app, go to your account, and to do this, tap your icon on the bottom right part of the screen. In this page, scroll down until you see the word appearance. Click on that, and now you have the option to choose between light mode, dark mode, and the automatic mode. If you click on the automatic mode, this will basically follow the settings of your mobile device. Now I'm going to choose the light mode, and as you can see, if I go back to the home page, it is now light mode. To bring back or go back to the dark mode, again, click on your icon, scroll down until you see appearance, click on that, and now you have the option to go back to dark. So that is how to change Discord theme on mobile. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.